In a world where algorithms can think, where machines can argue, where codes can stand in court, we must ask, do we still need human lawyers? Or will AI become the ultimate guardian of justice? Imagine a world where legal codes are instantly translated into action, where every contract is reviewed in seconds, where corruption fades, not because humans changed, but because intelligence itself evolved. A courtroom without bias, without fatigue, without fear. AI is not here to erase the law, it is here to transform it. Already, algorithms can scan millions of cases in seconds, predict trial outcomes with astonishing accuracy, and draft contracts faster than any human could dream. Technology trends reveal a new age of digital transformation, where justice could finally be accessible to everyone, everywhere. Imagine AI lawyers working around the clock, without greed, without corruption, without exhaustion. Yet, with every innovation comes a deeper question. If machines hold the law, what becomes of the human spirit within it? But justice is not only logic. It breathes in our stories, our pain, our humanity. Can an AI understand a trembling voice? Can it feel the weight of a mother's tears or the silence of an unjust verdict? We must ask, is justice only about accuracy, or is it also about compassion? The future of law will not belong to humans or machines alone, but to a new alliance between them. Perhaps AI will not replace lawyers, but free them to focus not on paperwork, but on people. And maybe, one day, the greatest measure of justice will not be who argued best, but who listened most. So we return to the question, do we need AI lawyers? Or do they need us? Comment, subscribe, and like. Thanks for watching.